Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I am going to show you how to insert and set up the SIM cards on your Honor Magic V6 or Honor Magic V5 smartphones. So here we go. If you want, you can either switch off the smartphone or you can just put it in the airplane mode before starting the whole process. So the very first thing you have to do is locate the SIM card tray slot. On both Honor Magic V5 and V6, it is at the bottom of the right half of the display, and in the folded state you will find the SIM card tray slot on the back panel side. Once the SIM card tray is located, all you have to do is insert the SIM card tray ejector pin in the tiny hole of the SIM card tray and apply a bit of pressure, and then it will pop out. Now just take it out. Now at the SIM card tray, you will find the clear markings for the SIM 1 and SIM 2. You will also find the outlines and shape of the SIM card for both SIM 1 and SIM 2. So now all you have to do is just follow the shape of the SIM card tray and put the SIM card in it, just following the shape of the SIM card tray. So as you can see, it is fitting perfectly in the SIM card tray. Now all you have to do is put the SIM card tray back in the slot. For that, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that the hole in the SIM card tray must align with the tiny hole showing at the SIM card tray slot. So just put it like this and then apply a bit of pressure, and now the SIM card tray is inside the slot. So if your device is switched off, you can switch it on, or you can just turn off the airplane mode, and now you can see that the signal is coming to my smartphone here. Now if you go to the settings, then to the mobile network, and then to the SIM management, you can see my SIM card is perfectly detected. I got the option for the SIM 2 as well as to add an eSIM, and then I got the option to select the default SIM for the SMS and mobile data, whether SIM 1 or SIM 2. There is also option for the default calling SIM and call forwarding between the SIM cards if you are using multiple SIMs on your Honor Magic V6 or V5. If you go back and then go to the mobile data section, here you get the option to turn on the data roaming, enable or disable the Wi-Fi calling, select the APN as well as the preferred network mode, whether you would like to go with the 5G, 4G, 3G or any of the options. And once again, here at the top you can see the full signal is coming, voice over LTE is activated, and everything is working perfectly with the SIM card on our Honor smartphone. So this is how you can insert the SIM cards on your Honor Magic V5 or Magic V6 and configure all of the SIM related settings. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.